Later, Ned was moving under the bridge. His oiler had told him to lower his crane arm.
I must be careful, I must be careful, I must be careful.
Then there was trouble. Ned hadn't lowered his crane arm far enough. It knocked loose the important keystones. The bridge started to crumble. Oh no! Jack jumped in and lifted his front loader up against the bridge. He pushed with all his might. Gordon saw the fragment. His driver applied the brakes, but it was too late. Oh,